2024 marked a turning point. Two industry leaders became one. LoneStar Fasteners Europe and Hydrobolt united under a single name and a shared vision. LoneStar Fasteners Hydrobolt. This is more than a merger. It's a fusion of decades of expertise, engineering excellence, and innovation. Together, we've created something stronger, faster, and more precise than ever before, ready to serve the energy and defense sectors with unmatched capability. In 2025, we took the next step. We consolidated into one world-class manufacturing site, Universal Point, a streamlined hub built for volume, driven by precision, and underpinned by the highest quality standards demanded by the industries we serve. Equipped with large capacity turning centers, advanced sliding head technology, and state-of-the-art CNC equipment, we deliver at scale without compromise. Every component, every detail, engineered and tested to meet the most rigorous standards of reliability and performance. And with expanded distribution and a consolidated stock program, we now offer the most diverse range of mission-critical components within the fastener industry, keeping your projects on track no matter the challenge.